Hi, I wanted to update everybody on some decisions we made about the car. So I am going to restore the Million Mile Accord. So just yesterday I hit 1,029,000 miles on it. So I'm going to HDay with it in Maryland, April 12th, 13th, and 14th. And it's February 11th, so I got basically 2 months to get all this stuff done if I want to have it ready to go for the show. So yeah, now that I'm not doing medical deliveries anymore, hauling a bunch of stuff inside, I feel like I can do this stuff. I'm not driving all over South Texas late at night, and hopefully won't be hitting a bunch of crap on the roads anymore. So yeah, thought about some stuff and decided to put some money in the car. You know, put the new engine in there. It's doing well, and so I want the thing to look good too. It still looks very respectable for being now a 21-year-old car, but there's just some things that have been bugging me that I'd been thinking about, and the more I thought about it, the more it bothered me, and I decided to do something about it. So let me take you walk around the car here and show you what I'm talking about. So next Monday on President's Day, I've got an appointment to go get the tent redone. I got some bubbling in the tent here. This window, I don't know how well it comes through on the video, but it's all scratched up. You can maybe see that. This other window is pretty bad as well. There's a line there in the back window, tent. Yeah, all that's just scratches on the tent. So tent's gonna get redone. I just, a while ago, ordered catskin leather interior for it. So here's a view, original rear seats. This seat had been replaced along the way with a one from a non-6-speed car, because it doesn't have the perforation here in the middle. And then there's the original seat on the other side. So pulled the seat covers off, and yeah, the FH Group seat covers I like them a lot. I think they're a real good value for the money and everything, but I just want it to look a lot nicer. So we're going with catskin leather interior. I'm gonna go with black, and then the center part here and down through the center part on the seat, it's going to be perforated leather, and then I'm going to do some dark blue stitching on the new seat covers. So that's one thing. And then carpet. The carpet in here is not too bad. It is original though. These cars are fairly noisy, road noise wise, and so I went ahead and ordered some new carpet that has some extra backing on it. It's supposed to be a lot better for sound insulation. And then also got some more Noiko sound mat. Now, a year or two ago, I had done sound matting on the doors, and then I ended up getting in an accident, so that door's been replaced. I need to put sound matting on that door. But I've done the quarter panels on the inside, underneath the rear seat, and then the door on this side. But now I'm going to pull out the seats and pull out the carpet, and I'm going to do sand matting or sound insulation on the entire floorboard, and they'll put the new carpet over the top of that. So got that, ordered seats, and then, like I said, full respray of the outside. So just paint's tired. Back here behind the sunroof, it's been kind of cracking for a long time, so you can kind of see that. This is all paint problems here as well. Up front, my hood looks like I've been sandblasted just from rock chips over the years and stuff. So just time to get it redone. So full respray. Since I am getting the whole thing resprayed, I want pretty good quality, so I'm gonna go to a regular body shop. Mako did the other side of the car for me when I had the accident, and they did a real good job for the money, but I just want it to look a little bit better. But I'm gonna do every little detail I can come up with. This trim tape here, that's all wore out and peeled away and things like that, so I'm gonna redo that. And then up front here, I've already got a new little grill ordered for it. My emblem's got chips out of it, so I'm gonna get that brand new as well, so that'll all be replaced. Gonna paint the intake here. We've got a Honda logo here that I'm gonna put on there. And then there's the tape on this side that needs replaced as well. So yeah, so I'm gonna put some money in the old thing. Hopefully it'll look a lot better when we're all done with it. So hope to have some update videos along the way of progress, and let you see how it's coming. I got some dings here, and then just various different little, there's really no dents in the car per se, but just little dings here and there and stuff. So I'm gonna try and get all that fixed as well. So yeah, so excited about it. It costs a decent amount of money, but it should look pretty good once I'm all done with it, and still have no intentions of daily driving anything else. I still take this to work almost every day, so I just wanted it to look a little bit better. So I'm excited. Like I said, I'd thought about this for a while. I had actually contacted Cat Skin about a year ago, looked at getting the interior done, and just decided not to do it because I was still hauling stuff and didn't want the seats to get messed up and everything. Had I chosen to go with just plain black leather with no customization, no stitching or anything like that, it would have been, it was a little over $1,800, and then it was about another $500. It was $2,376 to get the front and rear seats redone with the perforation and then the stitching, like I said. Basically, it sounds like the way they do their pricing is that if you do any customization at all, it just jumps up to that customization price and you can do whatever you want. Like we could have done two-tone leather if we wanted to. We opted not to do that, but basically any customization, you just pay the custom price. But that's $2,376 completely installed. Get to take the car somewhere. Someone gets to take the seats out, redo the seat coverings and stuff, and put it all back together for me. So that's hands off for me. So also I bought a new armrest here for the center console. This is the original and tired, so replace that as well. I've already redone the headliner in here and got a new steering wheel. So interior's looking pretty good. Once I get the seats done, they'll make it a whole lot better. So yeah, excited about it. It'll be neat to see how the thing turns out. So I just thought I'd give a quick update on the car. All right, thanks a lot. We'll see you for the next video.